Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the August boxy charm unboxing first impressions, and yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna first go over everything that comes in the box. It looks like that. You get the little paper with everything that comes in your box. So we have the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. We have the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. We have two Duo Shimmer Shades. We have the Big Ego Mascara by Tarte, brand new. And we have a Steve Laurent lip liner. I use it as a lip liner, but I'm guessing you could also use it as an eyeliner. And that's all that comes in our boxy charm. So first I'm going to start off with the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I'm going to apply that onto my skin and rub it in. Next, I'm going to be applying the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresher Powder. Y'all, this powder is so fine. Like, it felt like it was melting into my skin. My skin felt so, like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, it felt so awesome. And I really must tell y'all have to buy this. That is like the best powder I have ever tried. Moving on, I am going to do my eyeshadow look, and I'm going to be using the purple eyeshadow that comes from the Ace Beauty, and that is in the color Huckleberry. Next, I'm going to be using the Tarte Big Ego mascara, and you will see me apply that as well. Now I'm going to be applying my Steve Laurent as a lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with the Kylie. Okay guys, so now on the back of the little card that comes in your BoxyCharm box, it tells you all the prices and everything that comes in your box. So now I'm going to pull out my calculator and I'm going to add up everything that comes in this box. So first, the Becca what is it? The Hydra Mist Set powder retails for $39.99. And then the illuminating oil retails for $42. The Tarte Big Ego mascara retails for $23. And then the Ace Beauty, the shadow duos, those retail for $25. And then the lip liner by Steve Laurent retails for $15. It all equals to $144. So I paid $21 for this box and I got a total of $144 worth of product. I honestly say everybody needs to sign up for BoxyCharm. It is probably the best thing I have done in spending my money because you get so much product for a little bit of money that you pay. And next month, which is September, they do the Boxy Lux, which is the same thing. You still get a BoxyCharm, but you get a Boxy Lux, which is a bigger box, and it comes with bigger products and more expensive products. So I would say if you already have BoxyCharm, to upgrade to Boxy Lux. I know I am. I don't know how much it is to upgrade, but I do know it's a little more expensive than just the regular BoxyCharm. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!